Hi mga sisi ko! Welcome back to my new vlog. For today's lang mga sisi ko. Yung request ng one of my subscriber, nag-DM siya sa akin. Ang sabi niya, sis, baka naman pwedeng mag-vlogs ka regarding sa cost of living sa bansang Bulgaria. So, ayan ang vlogs natin for today's video mga sisi ko. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung how much the cost of living sa bansang Bulgaria.
I mean,
Especially in supermarket, if you want to buy something,
it's not cheap.
yeah, it's not cheap.
Maybe it's cheap compared to America, but
Yeah, mga
for the
sisi
wages
ko,
here, it's not cheap.
right now, na-notice
Can
ko
say.
at ng asawa ko, ang
It's on
sabi
par
niya,
with Germany, and they have like 5 times higher salary than us.
yes, mas
So,
mataas ang bilihin dito kumpara sa Germany. Nakakalungkot, pero ayan ang sad reality sa bansang Bulgaria ngayon. Na mga sisi ko, nandito na tayo. 5 minutes lang ang travel natin, malapit lang. Pero nagdala kami ng sasakyan kasi mabigat yung dadalhin namin.
Oh, 5 minutes because
And
I
later,
don't
meron kaming dadaanan. Right? We're going to passing by somewhere.
passing by somewhere.
Yeah. We're going to buy.
Yeah, going for the dinner.
Yeah. Bibili kami ng Juner. Kasi nag-crave ang sisi ninyo ng Juner. So, wish granted ng asawa ko ang Juner. Treat niya daw ako.
Oh yeah.
Nalagi niya akong tinitreat.
I said to treat you. Okay.
As always, right, mahal ko?
Maybe.
I didn't treat you.
No need to. I'll treat you.
No need, okay.
Okay.
What's the husband for?
Well, definitely have to treat.
Okay, let's go mga sisi ko. Kunin ko lang yung bag. Sa babya dito. We just need to take a cart, small cart.
Oh, I don't have money.
Yeah, I will give you money and bridge. Coco.
Why too?
Edno, due.
I don't know. I hope one is working.
Nyama Edno.
There is one.
Uchake.
I had 7.
Oh, I didn't took on.
Oh,
Just only 6 leva.
okay. Yeah.
Oh, here. Ito
Let's see.
mga sisi ko.
Let's see if it works.
Euro. Ito na yung coins namin ngayon. Naka-euro na kami. Sana gumana?
20 euros.
Sad to say.
You have 20?
In-accept, mag-basket na lang kami mga sisi. Basket na lang. Sisi ko. Yung mandarin. Nasa 3 euro. If you're curious. How about the banana? Ang mahal ng banana. Nasa 360.
It's not cheap.
Yeah. But it's also good. What do you think? You
It's
want?
not good. I don't want to.
Okay, my husband don't like it. It's not worth it.
Hmm?
It's not worth it.
No. Let's take a bread.
Ito mga sisi ko ang bread. Ang presyo ng bread. Ayan. This one is brown. Brown bread.
Before we took this one.
What?
This one is also crunch, but
Yeah.
it's made on hand. This one is on machine.
I think this one
This
is
one?
better. Yeah. Where is this price? This is the price?
But Marco,
Uh-huh.
the expiry date is not good.
Okay.
The expiry date is 10. Tomorrow is 9.
Okay, this one then. How much is it?
This one.
Okay, take another.
It's 13.
Okay. So, we also need yogurt. We need breast.
This is chicken
Ayan mga
thighs.
sisi ko ang presyo.
Breast. Yeah, breast is not here. Breast is on the other side.
Okay, let's go to the other side.
A little bit drier, but it's nice promotion.
Yeah, sure.
No, it's not nice promotion. It's only one level, 150.
Okay, let's go the other side. Here.
No, it's from the far side.
It's from the far side. Aha. Here. See? Ay, mga sisi ko. Yung breast part nasa
How many do you want?
75 leba, but 3 and 47. Siya na yung anuhin ko kasi take it. Okay? We're done. So, let's go to yogurt section. And also cash kabal. Yeah. So, yung presyo ng cash kabal, mga sisi ko, papakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung cheese. What kind of cheese do you want?
To be honest, it's just for sandwiches. So for me,
Okay.
the regular brand.
The regular brand. Ayan, mga sisi ko. 4 euro.
This one is
That
how
one
much?
is 8 euro.
This one is 8 leva.
Mm-hmm.
Half a kilo, 16.
Ano, 8 leva? It's 8 euro.
No,
Ah,
8
it's
euro
half.
per kilo. This is.
Per kilo.
I think I'll get this because Kaufland I like it more. So when I go to Kaufland, I get the bigger piece from.
Okay, that's good.
I
Alright.
think it's cool.
Then, let's go to the butter.
Butter is good.
Over there. Here, what kind of butter do you want? The price of the butter, mga sisi ko, 2 and 55 euro. Ayan, mga sisi ko.
This is the Bulgarian. This is the German one.
Uh-huh.
But there is no price for that. The German one should be 1 level more expensive.
Uh-huh.
What's the difference? Bulgarian?
How about this one? 86
No,
euro.
this is not butter.
Okay, it's not butter. Okay, let's go. So, let's go to the egg section. Ay, libre daw yan ang asawa kong butter.
Usually they put it on. I cannot believe it's 550. Usually they put it like 10 leva.
Yes, 10 leba before. Right now, naka-promotion daw. Ha? Oh, yeah. Ayan, mga sisi ko.
How much?
I want
How many?
4. 4 pa. Ayan, mga sisi ko.
Okay.
And also milk.
Yeah.
Yogurt. 5 pieces. Yung yogurt naman, mga sisi ko. Yung yogurt. How to read this?
55 cents.
Euro. 55 cents euro.
Cents. Euro cents.
Euro cents.
Well, we have
55
cents. I know.
cents pala. Ano ba yan? Nakalimutan ko magbasa. Bubo lang.
Eggs.
Sa mga sisi ko, itlog naman. Ito, 10 pieces. Ang presyo niya ay nasa 2 euro and 70
How many to take? 1 to 10 or 20?
cents.
Which is not broken.
How much is the 10?
No, what I mean? Like quantity.
Just 20. 2 box.
The box.
Okay, ayan mga sisi ko.
Probably destroyed.
Mhm.
It's by the bill.
Parang over na naman kami. Wala sa listahan yung iba namin binili Yogurt mahal ko. Okay, you already have. So right now, masarap ang ice cream but we're diet. No need to eat ice cream. I need Sprite. Just only small. Small bottle.
This, the price of the small is like the big one, better to buy big.
Okay, let's buy the big one. Because I'm going to make chicken barbecue.
Sure. Okay.
But I also want to eat the musel.
Do you think potatoes
Oh,
by the way?
mahal. Ito gusto ko mga sisi ko. Tahong. Yung tahong dito, nakaano siya. Gusto ko to. Pero, wag na. Mahal Ay, siya, palidosa yung asawa ko. Siya, mas ano pa yan sa akin, maarte pa yan sa akin.
So,
So, right now,
You got chips?
We need
Let's make the same Sprite for it.
Sprite.
Oh, it's a promotion too.
Okay, so mga sisi ko yung presyo ng Sprite. 51 cent euro.
It's, right, okay.
Yeah,
So
2 liter.
The big one or the small? There is no small one. I don't see it. Yes?
Yeah, it's okay. Take this. I know you love that. You're the only one gonna drink that. I cannot. I'm acidic. So, we also need to buy tomato paste.
Okay.
Go to other aisle. We still have mineral water. Okay, tomato paste. Come to me. Mahal ang tomato paste at saka spaghetti sauce. Parang nagbagong isip Tuleba. Sige, kuha tayo ng dalawa nito. Base. 1 euro and 1 and 2 euro. Ba yan na? But expensive. It's not promo.
It's promo.
Kade.
It's 60 to think cheaper. No, 50.
Well, okay, let's take
It's not
2.
very cheap, but
Oh.
this
What?
is for spaghetti.
Yes, let's do 2 pieces.
But this is not tomato paste, like classic tomato
Yes,
paste. I
and
mean, if you want
tomato.
tomato, this is tomato.
Okay, and take this one. Ayan mga sisi ko. 65 cents euro. Pasensya na sa pagbigkas ko, na gugulahan ako sa pagbigkas ng ng amount. Kasi nasanay ako sa leba.
Actually, it's 1 euro 12 cents.
Why?
This is not 65 cents, the small one.
The small one, let's take the small one.
Okay, but this is one bigger. What do you want, the smaller one?
I'm not
The
sure.
soup is concentrated. That you don't need that much. You might put water into it.
No, it's okay. Take this, just only one. Okay, we're done. Where's the... Okay, it's missing. My checklist. Okay, we just need 1 kilo of potatoes. Ang mahal ng patatas mga sisi ko. 4 euro. How about this? How much is this?
Take from this one, bro.
Ayan mga
135
sisi ko.
potatoes. Wait, I'll
And
do
also
that.
this.
Oh, I'll do that.
Okay.
Just put something to put them.
Yung asawa ko yung
You can put them. You want to remove from this one?
Oh, who open it?
You want me to choose it?
Just open it and I will choose.
Okay.
Not much.
Okay.
Oh, it's not open.
I can cut it if you want.
It's okay. I think this one is enough. Okay. Okay na yun mga sisi ko.
Okay.
1 kilo and half.
Go on, go.
Kailangan natin ng ayang carrots mga sisi ko. Ayan ang presyo ng carrots. Wait, Kuha ako nito. Ayan, repolyo mga sisi ko. 40 cent euro. Do you think this one is good?
Why not?
Yeah, I need small one. I don't need big one. Okay. Ah, but this one is also good. Can I open this?
Yes.
How?
Let me cut it.
This is the small one. Ayan, pwede yan. Diba nagpapipe po sila? May mga customer na
Which one do you want?
kinukuha.
This one?
Yeah, that one. Okay, it's enough.
Which one?
Ah, this one. This small.
Okay.
Okay. Tapos meron din silang garbage. Do you think I need to take this? I'm not sure. Tapos ito mga sisi ko. Ayan talong dito. Ayan o. Ayan presyo. Ganito kalalaki yung talong dito mga sisi ko. Ayan yung presyo. I'm not sure. Ah, they also have another kind of broccoli. Cabbage.
Червено зеле, да?
Cabbage
This is
din.
rano zele, early.
Okay. They don't have pepper. I want pepper.
You want biscuit?
So, yung mga sisi ko yun yung mga biscuit. Ayan, presyo ng mga biscuit dito. Mataas na nga mga sisi ko yung bilihin, oh. Ang napansin ko, mas mataas ang bilihin ng Bulgaria kaysa sa Germany. Sad to say, walang sili na pula at saka green. Wala. Ito lang. Yung malaking sili. Which is, hindi ko siya kailangan. Kaya mga sisi ko, yung kamatis. Mahal din. Red radish. How much this? Krasnodebitsa. Walang presyong Krasnodebitsa. Pipino. I think just only ito. Gagawan ko ng salat asawa ko.
Okay. How we are?
We're done.
Done?
Ayan ang mga sisi ko, nothing special. Isang cart yung napamili namin. Walang labis, walang kulang. May labis pala. Pumili kami ng nang hindi kasali sa listahan. What we buy that is not on the list.
I don't know. Chips do you want?
No? So, yan ang sisi ko. Self-service. Nakikita niya. Nakikita niya. Kaya yung asawa ko. Mas madali dito tingnan nyo. Walang masyadong tao. Mas madaling magbayad here.
We need to buy bigger one.
So, check natin kung magkano yung magagastos namin. Etong pinamili namin, ano lang namin to kakainin. 3 araw. Right? It's just only 3 days.
Usually every 3 days we go, right?
Yes.
Unfortunately.
Unfortunately. Ayan mga sisi ko. Itong isinaming namin ngayon, makukonsume lang namin to ng 3 araw. Mahal ko. 3 araw. Nasa 8 euro na. Which is 20 leva, right?
Yeah.
If you convert it.
Yeah.
Discount lang namin 36 cents euro.
Уважаемые клиенты, заказывали кассу GP. Мои доставлены продукты на кассу документа. Благодарю за разговор. Моя служительная касса не
Okay, mga sisi ko.
Уважаемые
60 euro na mga sisi. Ay, 65 leva na.
Нашите кассы на самообслуживание.
Which is 35 euro. Ayan, naka-promo pa rin siya.
Моя служительная четвертая касса на самообслуживание.
Oh, naka 87 leva, which is 47 euro.
What is the level? I don't know. Okay.
I convert it.
It's normal. It's almost 100.
100 leva?
No, almost like 93, 4, something like that.
Ay, mga sisi ko ganyang kamahal.